Let's build another function, okay? So the second function, the computer player. This one's pretty simple because I don't have to clean up their input because I'm going to tell them what their input is. Now, we've already been using it a few times. I haven't really shown you how to define this, but I'm going to give you the code right now. What we're going to do is we're going to create a list that contains R, P, or S, and we're just going to tell the computer, choose randomly from that list and return that value. Pretty easy. So let's go. DEF, computer guess, empty parentheses because we don't need any parameters here. And then we're going to say str guess, or let's say li choices. There we go. Li choices, these are going to be the choices that the computer can choose from. R, lowercase, P, lowercase, or S, lowercase. That way I'm comparing exactly the same thing to the exact same thing that the user is giving me. There's the choices. So str choice equals random. We're going to use that. We're going to invoke the random module, and we're going to choose choice as our method from the random module. So this is a function that was written in that module. You'll be doing these in a matter of weeks here. Random choice says, give me a parameter that is a list, and I will choose one of those things from that list. So I'm going to use the parameter of li choices in there. So now str choice is going to be equal to one of those things. All I have to do now is return that value. Return str choice. That's it. Black box number 2 complete. Let's try that out. Print computer guess. And now every time I run this, it's just going to give me R, P, or S, randomly chosen from that list. If I do it enough times, the probability of each one of those chosen should get very close to a third each time, because it is truly random. Okay, so there's that one. Check.